Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
So today's video is the last out my Valentine series. I really hope you liked this series. If you did, let me know your favourite look in the description down below. But this tutorial is my bloody Valentine. If you've been following me for a while, you would know my roots are Halloween makeup. That's my favourite, that's what I love the most. So I had to bring a little bit of scariness or creepiness into this series. So once I've done my base, I start to draw out the hearts around my eyes using an eyebrow pencil. And I then get a pink eyeshadow with a really small fluffy brush and start to blend around the outside of the heart. I wanted to make it a little bit brighter, so I used red eyeshadow and blended it around the heart also. To make the heart a little bit more defined, I used a really small detailed brush and I went into this really dark red I have, and it almost looks black, and I blended that around the edge of the heart also. I wanted the shadow on my lid to be really subtle and just kind of blended out a little bit, so I went over it really lightly with a red and then also a bit of a black as well to smoke it out a little bit. I also added a little bit of that black on the outer corner of my bottom lash line. I then put on some mascara and decided it was time to paint the blood. So I used a red face paint for this and a really long detailed brush. I wanted it to look like it was pouring out from the heart that we've just drawn. So I draw a kind of big chunks and smaller drips as well. And I also actually made some paint drip down my face as well to make it a little bit more natural. I thought that the red was a little bit too bright, so I did go in with a darker red as well and just kind of concentrate this more up to where the heart is instead of being at the bottom of the drips, if that makes sense. I then put on some lashes and then painted my eyebrows with a dark red face paint to match my wig. I lined my lips with a dark red lip liner that I got from Primark, and then I filled them in with the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Bite Me. And then I put the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss in Unleash Me on top of that. And here we have my final Valentine's look for 2019. I really hope you like this series. Let me know your favourite in the comments down below, and if you did like this series and this video, hit the thumbs up button so I know to do it next year and to do similar series like this throughout the whole year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!